If you're over 40, you may have noticed belly fat packs on. It is harder to lose and it is harder to keep it off. Changes in your activity level, eating habits, hormones, and how your body stores fat all play roles. But here are a few simple steps to help you slim down. Most people find number 3 and number 8 shocking and exciting. Alright, let's dive in. 1. Eat fruits and veggies. Fruits and vegetables help to lose weight and make you fit. Produce tends to have more nutrients and less fat and calories than meat, dairy products, or grains, and it may help you feel satisfied even if you eat less. Fresh fruits, like apples and berries, are also great in place of high-fat or high-sugar snacks. 2. Don't skip breakfast. Yes, there are huge benefits to intermittent fasting. We will cover this in a future video, but breakfast also plays a key role in energy production, mood, and curbing cravings. A healthy morning meal should be a nice balance of slow-burning carbohydrates to help restore energy used during sleep, fats, and proteins. A properly balanced meal will help you feel full, stay full, and consume fewer calories throughout the day. Avoid highly processed foods and sugary breakfast snacks. 3. Cut back on alcohol. Beer bellies aren't always caused by booze, but a spare tire is common in middle age, and alcohol can have something to do with it. A glass of beer or wine is about 150 calories, and that can add up if you drink often. Plus, alcohol can make you hungry, so you may eat more while you drink. Worse, beer can cause the hormone estrogen to increase in men. This means too much beer and you may end up growing tits. 4. Build muscle. People naturally lose muscle after 40, and this is a huge problem. See, as your muscle decreases, you tend to store more fat. The excess fat causes an enzyme called aromatase to be produced. This enzyme converts your testosterone into estrogen. This causes you to store more fat and have even lower levels of T. It becomes a vicious cycle. Make sure you add strength training exercises to your weekly routine. Lifting weights or doing body weight exercises like push-ups and squats at least twice a week can help you keep those muscles. 5. Try and avoid stress. Stress can make you more likely to binge on unhealthy food, and it makes it harder for your body to break down fat. Low-term high levels of stress induce high levels of cortisol. Long-term elevated levels of cortisol can cause sleep issues, belly fat, and several serious health conditions. So do your best to avoid the stress. Try yoga, deep breathing, meditation, going for a walk, or reading a good book. Stress relief is different for everyone, so find what works for you. 6. Sleep like a bear in hibernation. People who don't get good quality sleep are more likely to gain weight. See, sleep is when your body builds and repairs muscles, creates memories, and produces high levels of testosterone and human growth hormone. If you lack sleep, not only are you tired and lack the motivation to exercise the next day, but your cravings for crappy food increase and your willpower and discipline decrease. Bottom line, if you don't get enough sleep or get good quality sleep, you're messing with your man hormones like T and HGH. If you skimp on sleep because you're busy or stressed, try to change your habits and settle into a routine. More on the topic of sleep in a future video. 7. Move your body. This is a simple but very effective way to get rid of extra fat and weight. By moving more, you burn more calories. The simple law of thermodynamics. If you combine this with reducing the number of calories you eat, you create a calorie deficit that results in weight loss. 8. Drink coffee, just not 15 cups. The caffeine in coffee and tea can increase your metabolic rate. The higher your metabolic rate, the easier it is for you to lose weight and the more you can eat without gaining weight. Perhaps the best part about coffee for guys is that fact it increases your testosterone levels, and caffeine has even been shown to increase levels of DHT, which is a stronger type of testosterone. T levels and DHT levels are critical for guys over 40 because your T levels are under attack from age and the environment. 9. Lay off the soda. If you drink soft drinks or energy drinks, switch to water or another zero-calorie beverage. Sweet drinks are loaded with added sugar. Consuming lots of sugar can make you gain weight, not to mention can make your insulin resistance, which can cause even more weight gain and raise your risk for diabetes. 10. Toss the junk food. To avoid temptation, keep junk food out of the house, such as candy, cookies, and chips. Cravings don't last that long, and the harder it is for you to get your hands on the stuff that's putting you over the daily calorie intake and making you fat, the better you'll do. So get it out of the house. It's harder to crush a bag of potato chips at midnight if you have to drive to the store to buy them first. Instead, opt for healthy snacks, such as fruits or even veggies and hummus. 11. Drink green tea. Drinking green tea may also be a good weight loss strategy. Some studies suggest that it can rev up the body's calorie-burning engine temporarily. At the very least, you'll get a refreshing drink without tons of calories. 12. Walk more. Movement of any type can be a very useful weight management tool. Walking is a great, inexpensive option that doesn't require any extra gym equipment except for a good pair of kicks. A recent study showed that people who walked 8,200 steps per day were less likely to become obese or suffer from major depressive disorder and other chronic health-related conditions. One major reason walking is so good for you is that it's been shown to lower cortisol levels. Therefore, consider walking for weight loss and better overall health. 13. Avoid fried foods. Fried foods contain a whole lot of fat and contribute to weight gain. Simple as that. But again, in your 40 seconds, you deal with natural physiological changes that make it even tougher to shed excess pounds. So overdoing it on fried foods has larger consequences. 14. Stay hydrated. You've probably heard this one before, but try your best to drink more water. Water is very stimulating. It goes through your body and detoxes your body. Hot water with lemon is very mindful for the body. Also know, as you get older, thirst tends to decrease, which can lead to dehydration, and dehydration can lead to muscle wasting, and less muscle equals more fat. So make sure to keep hydrated. I hope these tips helped you out. You don't have to do them all, just grab the one you like and incorporate it into your day. The key is changing one habit at a time until you're living a healthy lifestyle. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.